Welcome back again. I'm going to show you how to draw ellipse, how to use ellipse tools in Solidworks. So click ellipse and then come define the minor or major diameter of the ellipse. Then the other one will define either the major diameter or the minor diameter of the ellipse. So you can use dimension, smart dimension to add dimension from this point to this point. So from this point to this point. So that's how to draw ellipse. We have partial ellipse similar to this. We have to define the one of the diameter and then the other diameter. Then we start drawing our partial ellipse either this way or this way. So that's how to draw a partial ellipse. So you can also give dimension to the minor diameter and the major diameter of the ellipse also. So this one, let's say 400. Then this, let's say okay. So we can add relationship to this point. Okay, yes. So just okay this way. Okay, so that's how to draw both full ellipse and partial ellipse. And also we have parabola. You can draw your parabola by selecting the starting origin, see the preview. So click, and then you have the preview shown on the screen. Where do you want to start your parabola? You come to the side. If you want to start from here, you come here. If you want to start from here, you come here. If you want to start at this point, you come here. Then come to that point and click. Then you start drawing your parabola. And anywhere you want to stop, that here, click or here. So click in here. So that's how to draw it. And the last option, which is conic. To draw conic, you define the first endpoint, second endpoint, then you drag. So you click first time and then it can't reach here because I think that's the maximum depth it can go. Then you click again. So that's how to define conic, and that's the last option we have here. So this will be the end of this tutorial. Continue next.